Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be talking about demonetization, meaning when you upload a video and you think everything's okay, and when you look at the dollar sign it turns yellow. But before we go any further in the video, I would just like to remind you guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now and share my video and like the video. Guys, let's get into the video. Yeah guys, yeah man, as I was saying, the topic is the fix for getting demonetized. This is a 100% fix for getting demonetized. So guys, watch the whole video because this will help you in the future. If you're not monetized as yet, believe me, if you are one day, this might happen to you and you will need this fix. Let me tell you what's happening first. Let me tell you my story. Yesterday, I edited my video and I loved it. Once I uploaded the video and I was there, okay, putting on my tags and doing everything that I gotta do, I realized that the video was demonetized. So I was like, what's going on? And the video, I don't know what's going on. I'm wondering if it's a copyright music or something sexual or something wrong with the video, but I didn't know because really YouTube do not really tell you guys or tell anyone that what the problem is on the video, so you gotta directly figure it out yourself. So I said to myself, okay, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I filmed the video, hours editing the video. I said, no, I can't just let this go. I'm gonna have to try something. So what I did, I thought about it. I was going through the video. I didn't really see nothing wrong. So I said, okay. Once I uploaded the entire video, I was demonetized. So I said, okay, my video is around 12 minutes or so. I broke it up in 3 pieces. So what I did first, I uploaded the first 4 minutes and waited. And by my surprise, the first 4 minutes was monetized. So I said, okay, the first 4 minutes, nothing's wrong there, so I don't have to worry about that section of the video. Okay, I did again. I uploaded 4 more minutes of the next part of the video and I waited again, and voila, by my surprise again, that part of the video was good. That part got monetized, no problem, no yellow dollar sign, it was monetized. So I said, okay, the problem looked like it's the last part. So the last 4 minutes of the video, I uploaded that. And once I uploaded that, waited, boom. The last part of the video had a problem. I see a big yellow dollar sign on the screen. I was like, yes, okay, at least I know where the problem is. So I don't have to mess with all of the video. So I went through the video, and I said to myself, okay, I'm gonna try to think like how YouTube think, because you know it's a family platform, so they don't really want certain things on the platform. So I said, okay, let me think and see what's up. Is it the music? I said, no, it can't be the music because I have the same background through the whole video, so it can't be the music. So it has to be video or indecent language. Then I went and looked again, and I said to myself, there's no indecent language in the video. I edited all of that out of the video. Guys, please excuse the noise. I'm at work, so you're hearing the noise on the road. So anyway, I said to myself, it's not indecent language, so it has to be video. So I looked and noticed one part of the video had a meme where another girl was pushing another girl, just push. They didn't hit nobody, they didn't stab nobody, it's not no shooting or nothing really violent. They only pushed another girl. So I said, okay, I wonder if it's that. So I took out, like, it was like around 2 seconds of video, 2 seconds, guys. So I took out that section of the video, re-uploaded it, waited, and to my surprise, guys, I got monetized on that section of the video. So I said, okay, I'm gonna do the ultimate test now. I put everything back together, and then I uploaded it, and then I waited, prayed, and boom, guys, all the video was monetized. And guys, and in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. Now I'm gonna go on my computer and I'm gonna show you how I broke it down. All right, I'm gonna show you proof that this method is 100% real and it works, guys. If you stick to this method and this happens to you in the future, you'll be good. So let's go, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm on my computer now. I'm gonna tell you and show you what's going on, guys. Yeah, guys, this is the video in question that I'm talking about. This video is 12 minutes and 46 seconds. And as you can see, guys, the video is demonetized. That's why the dollar sign is in yellow, not in green. It's basically saying this video is running limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. So guys, if this happens to you, don't panic, because this method will work 100%, guys. As you can see, guys, I broke the video down to 4 minutes, edit this part of the video, and then uploaded it. And once I uploaded it, I realized this part of the video has no problems. So this part of the video is good with no problems at all. So I'm going to repeat my steps again and upload another 4 minutes of the video and see what happens. So once I did that, I uploaded it and realized that this section of the video has no problems once again. So this part of the video is good to go. So guys, you have to remember to be patient. Be patient and it will work out for you. So I'm going to repeat myself once again and re-edit the last 4 minutes of this video. And once I did that and uploaded, I realized, boom, this is the problem. This last 4 minutes of the video has the problem. Guys, now we know where the problem is. So all we have to do now is go through the video and take out any section of the video that you think that YouTube will not approve of. Guys, remember that you're testing, so you might take out one section and that section is still demonetized. So all you have to do is just try again and try another section of the video until you find the spot that has the problem, guys. So take your time and figure out what part needs to be taken out, guys. I know that you work hard on your video and you want your video to be posted without any problems so you can get fully monetized. So once you're done editing, guys, you post the last couple minutes of the video and you should be fine. And as you can see in my video, you see that the dollar sign is in full green and is fully monetized. Now the last step of the video, guys, all you have to do now is just put the video back together and post it. But remember, when you post it, put it in private so you can see what's going on first, and everything should be fine. And as you can see in my video, I posted the entire video and it's fully monetized, guys. So tell a friend to tell a friend. There is a 100% fix that is guaranteed. So all you have to do, guys, is to follow my method and you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and leave a big thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.